Have you been diagnosed with sleep apnea? Well, today we are going to talk about the standard CPAP machine. That is the continuous positive air pressure machine that helps you with the sleep apnea. So here's the machine. And of course, this machine has a mask that you wear at night, and you can also adjust the humidity the air coming through the machine. Okay, so Brian, we got a CPAP. Is this a CPAP machine?
This is a CPAP machine.
Now, of course, that's the mask that you put on while you're at night when you're sleeping. But Brian, can you tell us where you put the water in? You have to put water in these machines? So right in there, how much water?
Hydrates you during the night.
So actually the water, or the air you're breathing is being humidified. There's water in there. Okay. So
Distilled water.
you only use distilled water because you don't want the minerals to build up. And so you fill that up. It probably takes less than a half a gallon. Not even a quart probably. Okay, so that closes it in. Okay, Brian, what button do you turn it on? How do you turn it on with that button? And what's that 6.5 pressure? What's that mean? Okay, for the most part, these CPAP machines are automatic. You don't really have to adjust them. The big knob on the right, you can actually adjust the humidity. So let's go over a few things on this machine. This machine also has a computer chip, and this is an important detail. The computer chip monitors you when you're sleeping, monitors your breathing, possibly your heart rate. So when you go to the doctor, every couple months when you go to a doctor's appointment, you take out the chip out of the machine, and the doctor downloads the information from the chip, and the doctor knows how well you're sleeping at night. For example, Brian used this machine, and before he started using the CPAP machine, here's the adjustment for the humidity. But anyhow, before Brian started to use this machine, they found out he was waking up about 71 times per hour. Over 70 times per hour he's waking up. The doctor, when he looked at the information on the computer chip that's in this machine, the doctor downloaded the information and found out that Brian was only waking up around 9 times per hour, which is a lot more normal. That's a big improvement. So just by using this machine, he was able to improve his sleep by waking up only 9 times per hour. And anyhow, before he used the machine, he was waking up over 70 times per hour. Sleep is the most important thing. Sleep is how you rejuvenate your body. Your body is rejuvenated when you're in sleeping mode, REM, and all that other stuff. So this is a very important machine. All right, let's have an overview. We'll talk about a few things as Brian puts the mask on. Remember, you have to sleep with this at night, and it has a continuous positive air pressure that opens up the airflow to your lungs. Brian's showing it how it works here.
Quiet, Teddy. Quiet. I can't you see I have my CPAP on?
Okay, for the most part, this machine is automatic. Just turn it on. We'll talk about changing filters in a moment. But the big black knob is for humidity. In a desert climate, you could move it up to 4 or 5.
Once a month. They give you filters.
So Brian, you have to change the filters on these about once a month. And this was
Let me show them how you do it.
that's the filter. That's
let
the
me show
filter.
them.
That's the filter compartment,
You
right?
have to, yeah.
So
You pull this out,
And what do you
and
clean
and
it?
this is the filter. This is the filters they give you.
Okay, how many? It looks like there's 2 filters in there.
Yeah,
Mhm.
this gets changed.
Put it, yeah. So there's like 2 filters. Do you have to put them? Can you clean them out underwater or anything?
No, they get new ones.
You just put new.
This you can clean with water.
This one you can clean with water.
Right.
The other one you put a new filter in.
Right.
So that the one on the bottom is sort of a permanent. It's sort of permanent, and the one on the top is you change it once a month.
And this just snaps in.
It just snaps in. And how does it go in there? You just set it in there like this. And so you have to change the filters once a month. Well, I hope this was helpful. Those are the secrets of the sleep apnea CPAP machine. We try to explain it the best as possible. Now, there's a really great YouTuber out there by the name of Rekka, the Ruins of America. And he has a nice video on the alternatives to sleep apnea CPAP machine. So I would recommend also going to this channel, the Rekka, the Ruins of America channel, and look up that video there, Alternatives to Sleep Apnea Machine.